May bungkag. Kasayo na mo na malingki, wa pay tulog, malingki na. Aha, aha. This is the building that we went before, yeah?
For what?
The one with looking for the Barclay office or something.
Possibly,
Yeah?
possibly.
Uh-oh. You lost that.
No, that was the Sainsbury's one for a second.
Ah, okay. I thought you missed the turn.
That was a bit early.
Turn, turn, turn.
Just to fill the car up on Monday.
Sorry? Yeah, oh.
I'll do it on Monday on the way to work. But that's what we thought.